Start your onion seeds now. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody. Now is the time to be sowing onion seeds. Now, with onions, you can either grow them as sets, which you often see in the garden centres in a hessian bag with loads of little bulbs in it, or you can grow them from seed for yourself rather than the sets. Now, I've done an experiment in the past. I once grew seeds and I once grew sets to see which ones grew best at my plot. I grew them at the side of each other, so they're the same soil, the same amount of watering that I did on them. And yeah, I did a little experiment to see which did the best, because I wanted to see for myself, because I'd just grown sets every single year, because it's easy just to buy the bulbs and then just plant them in March, net them over and let them grow. And yeah, I thought, why not? I'm going to give it a try and see which actually do best. So I bought some seeds in January. January is the time to buy them. They'll be in all the garden centres now. And it's great to buy the seeds and get them growing. Obviously, they need heat. It's pretty cold in the allotment, in the polytunnel, in the shed, in the greenhouse at the moment. So they need the heat to get them germinated. So you need to make sure that you've got a decent windowsill or a worktop surface that gets enough light, enough heat, and to get them to germinate. And they will start growing within a few weeks, and then around March, April time, end of March, beginning of April time, then you can plant them out in all the rows. Now, obviously, growing them from seed, you get more seeds in a packet than you would do a bag of sets, so you'll get more onions for your money, and it'll be a lot cheaper. Obviously, a packet of seeds will cost you about £1, or the sets will cost you probably about £2.99 or £3.99, something like that. And you'll probably get about quadruple amount of seeds than you would do sets. So give it a try. Go out and buy some seeds, and the best way to do it is that I get the seeds, I get some seed trays, put the compost in, sprinkle the seeds on top, put a layer of compost on top, water them, and then I put cling film on top of them. I always do this with all my seeds. It's my little gardening tip for doing it. Don't bother spending money on propagators. I use cling film and it works a treat. Put the cling film on top after you've watered it. It'll keep them moist, keep them warmer as well. Obviously it's warm in your house on your flat at the moment, but the cling film will add an extra couple of degrees onto it, and it will keep it moist, save you watering it all the time. Obviously, when they start to germinate, then take the cling film off, and then you'll have to keep them watered until it's time to fetch them down to the allotment. Keep them in your house and your flat, keep them warm until March, April time. Fetch them back down to your plot, and then it'll be ready to plant them out at end of March, April time. And hopefully you'll get some good produce. Like, if you've never grown seeds before, you've always stuck to sets, do the experiment like I did. Yes, you may end up with loads of onions, but they'll store well in a dry place and it will last you ages, and you'll be having onion soup, you'll be using onions on everything. But yeah, give it a try, do a little experiment, see which ones grow best for you, seed or set. Let me know in the comments if you grow seed or if you grow sets. I'll be great to hear from you all. So yeah, I hope you found that useful, everyone, and as always, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.